Unraveling Idioms. Play the devil with. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom that you might have come across in books, movies, or conversations. Play the devil with. This phrase packs a punch in its meaning and usage, and understanding it can add a layer of richness to your English comprehension and expression. Let's unravel the mystery behind this idiom together. The phrase, play the devil with, is used to describe a situation where something causes a lot of trouble, damage, or chaos. Think of it as invoking the idea of causing havoc or creating problems that disrupt normalcy. It's a vivid expression that brings to mind the mischief and disruption often associated with the character of the devil in various cultures and literatures. Understanding an idiom is easier when you see it in action. Let's look at some examples. In conversation, the sudden storm played the devil with our picnic plans. In literature, his reckless decisions played the devil with the company's finances. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, highlighting disruptions or problems caused by an external event or someone's actions. While the exact origin of "play the devil with" is not pinpointed to a specific moment in history, it's clear that it draws from the long-standing cultural depiction of the devil as a figure of chaos and destruction. Over time, this expression has woven itself into the fabric of the English language as a metaphor for causing significant trouble or upheaval. To use this idiom correctly, remember it's best suited for situations that involve significant disruption or problems. It's a strong phrase that conveys a high level of impact. So use it when you really mean to emphasize the chaos or trouble caused. Do use it in creative writing or when describing scenarios with dramatic outcomes. Don't use it in formal contexts or to describe minor inconveniences. Understanding and using idioms like "play the devil with" can truly enrich your English language skills, making your conversation and writing more vivid and expressive. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing phrase and inspired you to play around with idioms in your own linguistic adventures. Happy learning, and remember, language is not just a tool for communication. It's an art form waiting for you to explore its depths.